Good evening, everybody. We're here with the Hamawandi brothers, and tonight we are opening up
Angry Birds Series 1.
Show me. Angry Bird surprise bags. Julian's wearing his Angry Bird pajamas, and he's ready to open the first one. Go for it. Just don't cut the Angry Bird. Make sure you're not cutting the actual Angry Bird. If it's hard to cut, you might be cutting them. Okay, that's enough. It should be open already.
Yeah, he was cutting the Angry Bird.
Oh no. Oh, which one did you get? The first one?
Bomb.
Bombird, show me. Yay!
Oh, and it came with some stickers.
Let me see. Maybe that's why he was cutting the stickers.
No, I was tying this part.
Oh, okay. Adrian, you're next. Actually, I think if you just rip it on that little line right there,
That's easy.
it might just open.
I know, I thought I got open.
Oh, see, that's easy. We don't need the scissors. All right, which one did you get, Adrian?
I'm pretty sure I got the same one.
Oh, no, you got the pig.
Oinky, oink. And I got these stickers. I got another one in here.
Yeah, okay. You don't need the scissors to open it. You just rip it from right here. This little part. Rip it right there.
Oh,
Yeah, there you go.
oh.
Which one did you get?
I only got this one and I got this one. Okay.
Open it. Come on. Oh, he got a piggy too. Let me see which one it is.
I got the Queen Piggy.
Oh, piggy with the crown on it. Let me see.
It's called King Pig.
King Pig.
Wait, what? Does it have a crown?
King Pig.
Yeah, King Pig. My turn.
You're gonna focus. Come on. Anyway, it's Adrian's turn.
Please don't be another pig or what out Redbird.
Ooh, Redbird.
With these stickers.
And it comes with stickers too. Show me the stickers.
I got the same one as Julian. Juju.
And then it comes with like a little flyer
Yeah.
that shows all of the birds.
Where's my other bag? There you go, this bag.
Oops.
Wait, somebody open my other one. Where is
Here you
it?
go, Matilda
Where's my
Chubb.
other one?
We got the helmet pig.
Yeah, I got Helmet Pig and Redbird.
See?
Where's mine?
And then this one's yours.
Where's my other one?
You had 3, so you had the bomb and the pig, crown pig. Now open that one, see what it is.
No?
Yeah, those are yours. Yeah, 3 and 3. Open that one,
You
hurry.
guys have one more, right?
Yeah, there's
No, I lost one of them.
it's right in front of you.
Oh.
And oh, you got the red bird too. Pull the stickers out. There's no stickers?
It's right here.
There it is. Oh, look at this. It's funny. He's Redbird eating ice cream. That is funny. Okay. Adrian's last one. Oh, another Redbird.
Is
it the same one?
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Oh, awesome. So let's line them up so we could see all of the different ones.
I got
So today we did the Angry Bird surprise bag, series 1, and they're danglers. So let's see Adrian's. Oh, he got the helmet pig. Get the helmet pig. Can't really see him.
Where should we put these stickers?
He's not focusing. And then we got the crown pig, 1 black bomb bird, and then 3 little red birds. Put them all together. They're like a
Why
feather.
did you get 3? Wait, that's
Pretty
my
cool.
little red bird.
Yeah, this one's yours. We're just putting them in line so we can get a video. They're Juju's. Next time we will get more. No. Alright. Angry Birds. Bye, Angry Bird.
My Angry Juju.
You had 3 and 3. Bye, Angry Bird.
But we didn't. But I didn't have another one.
Yeah, you had 3.
Look at 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Here's your 3 little birds.
2. No, look at 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Yay, say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you, Mom.
Look at my camera. Blow me a kiss. Your turn.
I did.
Again. Thank you. Love you guys.
Love you too.
Bye.
Bye.